Welcome to another KHOGC, Corrosion, Abrasion and Industrial Coating Solutions presentation. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and check out all of our other project presentations. The project: Surge Tank Repair, Rebuild, Patch, Wrap and Protect, with Arcor 2211 and Arcor S20. Damage Assessment: a large erosion hole in the tank floor, as well as areas of corrosion on the walls of the tank. Matt from Team KHOGC gets to work bristle blasting damaged area on the tank floor to prep for patch repair. Then the clean surfaces are tested for salt levels and environmental readings are taken to ensure conditions are right for coating. Arcor 2211 is used to rebuild the damaged area. Then the steel patch plate is also coated in Arcor 2211. The plate is then bonded to the damaged area and sealed with 2211 and S20. The next step is to apply a wrapping over the repaired area. This is completed by our good friends at PipeServe, Products and Pipeline Services. KHOGC has collaborated with PipeServe on a number of projects over the years. They are a recognized and trusted provider of quality products and services that cater to repairs in many processing industries, such as oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer plants, power generation, sugar, paper, and many more. The wrapped area is then sealed with Arcor S20, completing the repair process. The other damaged areas are then bristle blasted, then tested and prepped for patching and coating with Arcor 2211 and S20. For any information to this or any other KHOGC projects or case histories, please contact us at info@khogc.com. Thank you for watching this presentation.